Motion strength training, teaching the hip hinge. The hip hinge is one of the most important exercises for trainees to learn before starting squats, deadlifts, kettlebell swings, and in general for proper day-to-day movement. It looks simple, but many trainees have bending patterns faulty. For teaching the hip hinge exercise, all you need is a wall and a dowel rod. Ask your trainee to stand a foot's length from the wall with the dowel touching the body at 3 points: head, thoracic spine, and sacrum. Ask the trainee to touch the wall with the buttocks and make sure the dowel remains in contact with the 3 points at all times. Here are the target muscles: the gluteus maximus and the hamstring. We also use the stabilizer muscles, spinal erector and the transversus abdominis.
Now streaming. I'm not